Right, here's another problem from the chapter. Looks like number 73. We're given this following information and we need to put the equation for the sphere in standard form. So I've got the standard form on the left as well as the distance formula again that will come in handy. All right, so we're given the fact that the diameter of PQ, or P and Q are given, is this. So if that means both P and Q are on the sphere, and we can draw a line through the center with this. So in order to find the center, we just need to find the midpoints of these two things. So the midpoint formula will be used in the same way it was in algebra. So midpoint, or center, is midpoint of PQ. All right, so the center, find the midpoint, we find the average of each of these two, essentially, each point. So we're looking at the first point, -1 plus -5 all over 2 is going to be our x component. 5 plus 2 over 2 will be our y, and 7 plus 9 over 2 will be our z component. And that's -6 over 2, which is -3, and that's 3.5, 7 divided by 2, and then we have 16, so this is 8. So that's our center, and that'll be our A, B, and C, respectively. The only other thing we need to do now is find the distance for the radius. So the distance of this line is a diameter, which half that will be the radius, so our distance between these 2 points will equal, now we're subtracting this time, so a -1 minus a -5. Let's draw that a little bigger. -1 and minus -5 will be +5. Our y components are 5 minus 2. And our z components are 7 minus 9. So our distance, this will be 4 squared, which will be 16. 3 squared is 9, and -2 squared is 4. So our diameter is 29, so root 29. And that means our radius is 1/2 root 29. And for our formula, we're going to have x minus -3 quantity squared, and then y minus 3.5 quantity squared, and z minus 8 quantity squared equals root 29 over 2 all squared. So cleaning up and rewriting, this is simply x plus 3 quantity squared. This is still y minus 3.5 squared. Z is the same. So root 29 squared is just 29. 2 squared is 4. That should be our answer for that.